Hi guys, today we are going to unbox the Belkin Super Surge Protector. It says it has the surge protection in this power filtration to make sure if there's the for audio and video, promotes audio integrity with the audio and video quality. It covers up to 250,000 protection coverage. Means they really are counting on it. If you see, it has 12 outlets, so 3 here, 6 and 6 here, 2 USBs. This is the recess power switch they have, protection indicator they have. Number C, black space outlet, this one. Number D, which is USB charging. E, which is low profile outlet, mounting holes. That's good. Let's start doing the unboxing for this one. If you have a lot of wires, I've been looking for something that has more outlet but also have enough space between the outlet so you can put more wires in there. The outlet that you get, which has like 6 outlet, they're so back to back, but now iPad, MacBook, other charger, if you put them there, it doesn't have enough space remaining. So I'm gonna put this on the side. It comes with this Belkin connected equipment warranty. Alright, so this is the 6-inch, 6 feet wire that they have with low profile, so you can easily put it in the outlet. I see. I like these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These one where I could put the any charger which has more real estate that takes little bigger chargers, MacBook Pro, iPad. I can do those here. The other plugs you can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 outlets are given here that you can do more like a normal plus. You can put it here. Now, and then you have this button, or turn it on, and this protected or not ground, those switches. It does have USB 2.1 amps, so you can charge your iPhone, I believe iPhone and iPad, and that's it. And I don't know what this one is. This part is just for design. On the back, nothing much. Simple retractable power tabs, nothing much. Listen, so that's how it is, guys. I'm going to use it and let you know if everything goes well. I like it because I don't have to have 2 different power outlets. I can now use one. It's pretty decent with 2 USBs. That should be good enough. Right. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so you can be notified for future videos. Alright guys, thank you. Bye bye.